Hello and welcome to my channel Keep Up with the Kindergarten. Meet my new friend Tina. Hello. Did you like her? Good. Do you know I love teaching and it's like in my blood always. There is moving a virus in me best. Now I am teacher Sujata. Welcome you all to my channel Keep Up with the Kindergarten. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so that whenever I upload video you will get a notification. Now last time I told you about letter sounds and we haven't finished, so today we have to finish with the sounds. You know about the phonics, the teachers and the parents, those who are watching me, phonics really needs lot of practice. Whenever you are teaching the sounds to the students, you need to be very much clear and specific. Letter name is O, the sound is O. Not A, not A, O. Like octopus, orange, ostrich, O, O. Next one is P. Like only a parrot, penguin, pumpkin, penguin, parrot. And when the child is interacting with you, like you ask which letter is this and what is the sound, they say, then they, good job, great. What do you want? Do you want a sticker? Always appreciate it. Now, next one is letter Q. Qua, qua. Like queen, like quiet. Don't say qua, like qua, qua. Next one is letter R. R. The sound is Don't say like ra. Don't say ra. It's like rabbit. Next letter is S. S. The sound is sun. Sun. Shark. Shark. Sun. What I am saying, the sound is good. Next one is T. Letter T. But the sound is T. T. Don't say T. No. T. T. Like tree. Like tiger. Tree. Tiger. T. Then comes letter U. Letter name is U. The sound is A. A. Umbrella. Up. This is letter V. The sound is V. 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 Like vulture. Like van. V. This is letter W. Letter W. The sound of this letter is W. Wing. 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 W. Comes letter X. X. The sound is X. X. Try to say X. Like X. Xmas tree. X. Xmas tree. Letter name is Y. 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 Like yuck. 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 Now here comes last one, letter Z. Letter Z. And the sound is Z. 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 Like you feel like a buzz going around. Z. Z. So zebra. Zebra. As I told you, phonics needs lots and lots of practice, because without practice you cannot say these sounds. So each and every day it needs a proper practice. Like in the morning, beginning of the class, you should repeat the sounds to the students so they will get to know all the letter sounds. And whenever you show them the letter, and they will instantly give you an answer. And you will applaud like, wow, 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 students, very good, well done, great job, good. Now next time I will come back with the initial blending. Once they learn the letter sounds, now they should blend like s, sl, like this. So stay tuned with me if you like my videos, and I hope you will like, because there's lot to come in my videos. So don't miss your, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button so that do not miss any of the videos.